Hello friends, this is Dr. Vikas Singhal. I am practicing in Chandigarh. I am a clinician as well as homeopathic practitioner for last 15 years. My friends, today we are going to discuss keloids. Keloids. You might have heard this term in routine in skin departments, in dermatology departments. My friends, this disease, although seems to be very rare, but now in India we are getting number of patients in routine OPDs. Friends, what is keloid? Keloid is an abnormal scar that develops and grows beyond the boundaries of the original site of origin of that particular wound. If suppose a patient has underwent a surgery, and after surgery he or she develops a abnormal scar with abrupt margins beyond the boundaries that may develop into keloid. And my friends, this problem has no treatment. In fact, the patient who suffers from keloid problem or keloid disorders, if a surgeon performs surgery for keloids, then this keloid may reoccur. This may re-happen. So, with surgery, this condition is not cured properly. But my friends, being a homeopathic physician in Chandigarh, what I have observed that these type of autoimmune disorders, keloid is considered to be autoimmune in origin because there is no cause till the date known except the autoimmune theory. This is well accepted theory for keloid. But my friends, what are the different types of reasons? Trauma and infection are the main reasons for this keloid, and pain as well as pruritus, severe itching in that particular part of the keloid. In that particular part of the keloid, patient may develop itching and he or she may suffer from pain. These keloids are most common on the upper trunk of the body. Sometimes I remember a patient, that was a female, she was having it right on the chest. Exactly on the chest, she was having this keloid, and in between both the breast, she was having a huge, big keloid. And with homeopathic medicine, as that girl has to appear for air hostess examination, we prescribed her a specialized homeopathic medicine that is prepared in our clinic itself, and that remedy has reduced her keloid just within 3 to 6 months. And now that girl is working in a very reputed she's working in a very reputed company in India, and very frequently she is traveling abroad also. So my friend, that girl was cured perfectly with homeopathic medicines. So I will in this video, through this video, I try to elicit that this disease, if you are suffering from, you can contact our clinic, and clinic numbers are being displayed in this video, or you can contact on our website to seek some appointment. I think this will help you out. Thank you very much.